Keeping life organized often feels like a juggling act. Just as swiftly as you move to catch one ball, say finances, family commitments, or fun with friends, another part of your life might start to fall apart. Quite often, unfortunately, some balls are bound to hit the ground. Days failing to prioritize sleep, having fast food instead of meal prep, and procrastinating with low-impact tasks instead of focusing on deep work. Instead of throwing life's tasks in the air in hopes you'll somehow manage to catch them all, here's a framework to help keep every area of your life in order. 1. Take care of yourself. Without sufficient sleep, a balanced diet, and time for some self-care, it's only a matter of time when our minds will start to fail us. Take good care of yourself so that you can stay mentally sharp and emotionally resilient to organize your life well and to take on anything that comes your way. 2. Declutter and simplify. It's hard to feel organized when your mind is in shambles and your office space and house are too. Always be on the lookout for opportunities to make space, physically, digitally, and mentally. Give away what you don't need, stow away things in their respective place, and avoid buying things you don't need. The more you have, the more time and space and work you'll need to look after these things. 3. Plan ahead. Use calendar books or digital ones such as Google Calendar to help keep your life organized. Whenever possible, plan ahead for future outings and events, and practice setting future reminders and to-dos for any upcoming tasks you know you need to do, but at a later point in time. Whenever events pop up, make it a habit to note it down immediately into your calendar. One extra tip to help you save time and make sure you don't forget important tasks and events is by setting reminders as a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly reoccurrence in your calendar. For example, reminders for bills to pay or for upcoming birthdays. 4. Prioritize and learn to say no. It isn't possible to juggle multiple things and do it all if your aim is to have an organized life. Like I shared in point number 2, the more you have to manage. The same goes for gatherings and events. Learn to prioritize what really matters to you. Working on your goals versus going out for a party. Getting more sleep versus going to a football game. Very hard choices, I know. But life is all about making choices. Know that it is okay to say yes to things that really matter to you and no to things that you probably will end up regretting or hating yourself for later on. 5. Get support. It's okay if you realize that you can't manage certain things all on your own. Don't be afraid to ask for help or outsource a task if possible. 6. Stay flexible. As much as we'd like to have life running according to plan every single day, we both know that life just doesn't always go according to plan, and that's okay. Always keep your mind open to possible changes. When things don't go as planned, try to keep your calm and carry on. Remind yourself that it isn't the end. Deciding how to organize your life isn't about precisely what time you should wake up in the morning or exactly where you should store your important documents. Rather than getting caught up in these nitty-gritty little details, pay attention to the bigger principles of leading a good, balanced, and mindful life.